Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious chocolate cake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. You'll need -1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, -1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, -1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. Now, let's move on to the actual baking process. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round baking pan. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the sugar, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Now, here's the tricky part. Slowly add the boiling water to the batter, stirring constantly. The batter will be thin, but that's okay. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your cake is done, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And voila! You've got yourself a moist and delicious chocolate cake. Now, you might be wondering what to do with the leftover cake. Well, I have a suggestion for you. Why not turn it into a decadent chocolate cake trifle? Simply layer the cake with whipped cream, chocolate pudding, and more cake. And you've got a mouth-watering dessert that's sure to impress your guests. That's it for today's recipe, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this chocolate cake, and I can't wait to see your creations. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy baking!